I think one just spit on my youngest.
Well, the last stop on our 10-day journey was at Windrush Alpacas in Clovis, New Mexico. We stayed here with our Harvest Host membership. Now, you don't have to have a Harvest Host membership to visit, but we were here with our membership, and you can see there was a ton of space for us to park our 42-foot RV. They do allow generators, which was great. And Rosemary, our host, was so wonderful, and she brought us a welcome gift of fresh-baked homemade cookies when we arrived. I think this is really my favorite Harvest Host that we've ever stayed at, and I know it was the best one for the girls. They absolutely love getting out on the farm, feeding the animals, and being really hands-on.
You have food. You look like you're freshly groomed, buddy.
Here, give this one over here. This one on the end, he didn't get any. Right here.
Oh, is it good? Is it good? Okay. No.
Look at these, they're wondering.
You're a good boy.
Is he getting them?
You're a good boy. Hey, here you go. Can I watch them? He sneeze on you?
No.
What do you think, Everly?
They're tickling my hand. You want some food?
Oh, here come the guineas.
Here comes the guinea.
Instead of here comes the greenies.
Yeah. Oh.
You want to go see these other ones?
You gonna go see the girls?
He doesn't want to come over here.
Here you go, Lila.
There he goes.
Here. I'll pepper food. Can I also feed them?
Yeah.
Make sure that each one gets. Okay, slobber.
I don't like the way he looks at me.
I think she said these are the rowdy boys.
Oh, they're not scared. The other ones are the older ones.
Yep.
So feed that one, because I already got this one.
Can I have some? Yeah, feed that white one. Hey, that's not for you. For him.
See?
Rowdy, don't do that. I'm calling you Rowdy. So I need to put some back in.
Oh, they're all green. I'm going to make sure they all get some food. Look at this one back there. Look at him.
Oh.
In the doorway.
In the doorway?
This one okay?
They look a little terrifying though. Hey!
Here's some more.
This is it.
I need some more, please.
I'm trying to make sure they all get some. You in the middle. They got hair like a Saya, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, they do. Who wants to make pack of food? Hey, that one's a little.
Come on. Just give it a second. I might be a little scared of it. Try with the brown one.
Oh, some of that hay made it look like that. Yeah. Mommy, would you like to be Everly right now?
Nope. They have the cutest little store on property too with all kinds of alpaca products.
Mommy, feel this. Daddy, look at this.
A little baby alpaca?
Can I have one?
I don't know. We'll see. We're going to get something.
Yeah. Look at these small ones.
We're gonna get Mama some of this alpaca soap.
Yes, you are. Oh my gosh.
See?
Alpaca that's covered in alpaca hair. I said that. This is alpaca. Sorry. I think this is made of alpaca person.
The little shop had all kinds of alpaca products, from socks and scarves and stuffies, all kinds of things, and everything was really good quality made. And we ended up leaving with a couple of pair of alpaca socks that are absolutely amazing, and honestly, Josh and I fight over those to this day. The girls finally decided on these mini alpacas. We got a pink one for Lila Bo and of course a purple one for Everly. After feeding the animals some snacks and buying some things at the store, it was time for farm chores and Rosemary to tell us all about the alpacas.
Welcome to Windrush Alpacas. So Iron Man is about 14 years old. He's a big alpaca. He's very big for an alpaca, but he's very sweet, aren't you?
Can I pet it?
Look.
Feel he's nice and soft. And he'll grow between...
Before we started farm chores, Rosemary brought out one of the alpacas, and he was so very sweet, and she's so knowledgeable about these animals. She taught us all about the alpacas, the differences in the llamas, and we learned a lot while we were here. She's a very gracious host, and she answered everybody's questions, and she was so generous with all of her animals. After learning all about the alpacas, it was time to do some farm chores and go feed all the animals. We got to feed Saber, the horse, and then go around to each of the pens to feed the alpacas. Now, these girls may not want to clean their room, but they were the first ones to pitch in on the farm chores.
What did
Said
you?
yes. That means yes.
Oh, that's what is it? What means yes? Oh. Did you ask him if he was hungry?
Yeah, he was.
Come here, Brutus. Come here, buddy. Walk, Everly. That's Brutus.
Hey, Brutus. You're a pretty cat. His name is Brutus.
I think one just spit on my youngest.
No, the white one spit on me. On the cheek.
All right, so we just fed the alpacas and Saber, the horse.
Saber, the horse.
And the girls loved it. They had a lot of fun. Our host, Rosemary, was awesome.
So good. We learned so much about alpacas that we didn't know.
Yeah, I didn't know they had 3 stomachs. I could have Googled it, but
I feel like I have 3 stomachs sometimes. A dessert one, a salad one, a dinner one.
and a dinner one. But no, I have to say, there's a reason this Harvest Host has so many high stars and high remarks. Great host, great place. It's level, it's quiet, it's peaceful.
Plenty of place to park, and she's super, like, you can join her at 6 o'clock to do chores, and she tells you all about the alpacas, and she brings one out and you can pet on it, and she talks about them, and then you go to stall and you get to feed the alpacas, and it was really fun. The girls ate it up.
Oh,
they loved it.
And of course, Everly, our little nature child, she loves animals, and she just loved feeding them. She bumped into one. What was her name? Alita?
No,
Aletta?
something like that. We'll have to look. But she bumped into her during feeding time, and so she spit on her. It was funny. She was so offended.
Oh, it was funny. So, but we definitely highly recommend Windrush Alpaca Farm.
Even if you don't stay here for a harvest host, you can just come by. There was a little family here that had 2 little boys, and they just stopped in. They asked that you can go to their website, and they just asked that you call in to let them know more than 24 hours in advance, because they are a working farm and they do get really busy. So if you just call and let them know that you want to come by, you can join them at 6 o'clock for chores and help feed the alpacas and go in the pens. So even if you're not staying with your RV, you can still come by. It's totally worth it.
Yes.
Totally worth it.
All right, so if you're ever coming by Clovis, New Mexico, definitely stop by and check out Windrush Alpaca Farm. I will put all of the information, the links and everything in the description, so definitely come by, check them out. Great place, great people.
Great host.
Yes.
She's wonderful.
Lots of information. Also, they have a little store here. You can get all kinds of alpaca socks and
They have scarves. And pullovers and socks and gloves. They have all kinds of
goodies
stuff.
and stuff.
Yeah.
So we had to get us some socks. I
Yes.
needed some alpaca socks.
And the girls got some little baby
alpacas.
So. And Everly even got a postcard of the actual alpaca that spit on her, so she can remember her.
So definitely be sure to like and subscribe and follow along as hopefully we can hit another harvest host this summer.
Yay!
And I forgot what I was going to say now. That train just derailed. It's your fault.
I don't know.
Oh, I forgot what I was going to say now.
I have no idea.
Yes, ma'am. You as well. Thank you, and be safe. I did forget. I forgot. I'll put all the links and all the information in the comments. All kinds of alpaca.
Lila, what happened?
There's a fly in my nose.